Hello mga basketball! Here we go again! Ito naman po ang pinakawalang hiyang YouTuber. Wala naman po kasi gustong manood. Gawa pa rin ako ng video. Alright? So sana po lahat tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Okay? So before anything else, I would like to say good day, good evening, wherever you are. And thank you very much sa aking 185 subscribers. I really do appreciate all of you guys. Alright? So, kung napanood nyo na po ang aking video recently, nanood po ako ng konsyerto or concert ng Foo Fighters. Diyan po sa baba, sa South, sa Seattle. Alright? So, it's a 2 hours drive. And, it's so worth it. Napakagaling po ni Dave Grohl. Alright? For me, he's the best para sa akin. Alright? He is not just a performer, but also, you will feel like you're very welcome in the concert. He is so engaging. Right? So, para po siyang katropa mo lang. So, para sa akin, so far, he's the best rock and roller. Right? The best rocker para sa akin. Okay? Kasi medyo marami-rami naman po akong napanood. Kaya sa akin, so far, he's the best. Alright? Okay. Let's go back to our business. So today po, we're going to do some unboxing again. I know, it's boring. But, let's do it though. Alright? Let's do it. Here we go mga basketball. Ito na po yun. So, Air Jordan Type 39. Alright? So, ilalabas na po natin. Okay. Alright. Ito na po yun mga basketball. So, this time po, I decided to have black and white. Alright, colorway of Jordan 39. So, for sure, may bago naman pong technology yung ilagay ang Nike brand or Jordan brand dito sa basketball shoe na to. Alright? So, gusto siyempre, they want to improve the performance of their product, right? So, 39 na po. Okay? So, maybe next year, it's already, of course, Jordan 40, right? So, for me, it's so simple. And as you will notice, low cut po siya, right? Low cut, right? So, and I'm looking for an element na kinuha po sa Jordan 9, right? But, correct me if I'm wrong. Or tell me. Or comment in below, if I miss it. Kasi po, for me, wala pong kinuhang iconic elements sa Jordan 39. Sa Jordan 9, sorry. Dito po sa na ilinagay po dito sa Jordan 39. Okay? So, napakasimple lang po niya. Right? So, dito po, leather. Dito po, mesh. Right? So, para sa akin po, mas pinili ko tong black kasi yung una pong colorway niya is white. Ito po ang sumunod. Black. Right? So, black and white lang po. So, Sana po maganda po yung traction niya. So for sure, I'm going to give you a review, guys, for this basketball shoe. Okay. So I think I think I cannot see any extraordinary element that was added here in the shoe. All right, so let me check the other pair. Baka lahat na naman to kaliwa. Okay. Alright. Okay, safe ako. Oh, okay. So ito po yan. Alright. Oh, so mayroon po siyang extra shoelace. Alright. Puti. So meaning, if you want your shoelace to be white, you can then just easily replace it with this one, right? So mayroon po siyang extra shoelaces, right? So ito po yun, mga basketball. So have a closer look. Jordan 39. Okay. 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 So mga basketball, if you have any question, objection, just comment below. And I'm so delighted to reply. All right. Okay, mga basketball. Thank you very much for watching. And see you whenever.